Hello, Internet. I'm Alexa. I'm a volunteer and Internet ASTEP, and I am taking the Artist at Home Challenge today with my mom, who is back there. We are both artists and painters, but today we're actually going to bake some shortbread cookies. Let's get started. This recipe calls for butter, sugar, flour, and vanilla. That's 4 ingredients, and they make delicious cookies.
Originally, people used to make shortbread by hand, which I can't even imagine.
Wash your hands before you do this.
Yes.
Before everything. And after everything.
Yes.
All the time. Like, just adding shot flour a little at a time.
A little at a time, otherwise you get a giant clump of dough.
Just a little hack. Woo!
It's amazing.
I'm just kind of dumping it onto the pan.
You have to dump it all.
But it's all kind of crumbly.
That's okay. It won't be when you press it down. You can
It's
also
not evenly distributed.
Oops, what's this?
Oh. So we're just
Scoring it all the way through. Yeah.
Oh, sorry.
So do you want to do triangles?